Hello students, now we are going to see about Bluetooth from Unit 5. Bluetooth is an open specification IEEE 802.15 wireless personal area network standard for short range wireless voice and data communication. And we know that Bluetooth it is operated in the ISM band. The frequency range is 2.45 gigahertz, and it was originally developed for cable replacement in wireless personal area networking to operate all over the world. So by using this Bluetooth we can communicate device to device without cable requirement. So that is the objective of this Bluetooth. And see here, so this is a Bluetooth configuration. Each device does communicate with each other without the cable requirement. The device can communicate each other and they can transmit the data and voice information each other. So that is the Bluetooth configuration. And Bluetooth is a technology of ad hoc piconets. So ad hoc means it is a point to point communication with a very limited coverage and without the need for an infrastructure. For this Bluetooth communication, so cable replacement is a better advantages here, and it is covers only a limited range, limited coverage area. So within 1 meter only it can transmit the data and without the need for an infrastructure. So in cellular system we are having the permanent structure, but for this Bluetooth communication we don't have any fixed infrastructure. So whenever it is needed, so it is that we can transmit the data by using that 2.45 gigahertz. In other words, it provides local wireless access at very low cost. Already we know that for the Bluetooth communication we need not to pay for the data transmission, but if it is a mobile transmission we want to pay for the each data and the voice transmission. And this is a Bluetooth networking piconet. And see here, this is a master node and these are all the slave nodes, and this is a park nodes and this is standby nodes. So each node they can transmit the data each other. Usually what is a piconet? Here a piconet is a collection of Bluetooth devices which are synchronized to the same hopping sequences and standby devices and do not participate in the piconet. So these are all the slave and these are all the master nodes. Next one, scatter. So one Bluetooth devices can operate simultaneously on two piconets acting as a bridge between the two nodes. This is a scatter node, this is a master, and these are all the slaves, standby and parked. So the main function for the Bluetooth is the data transmission. Bluetooth can be used to set up a wireless LAN or to connect a wire LAN also, just as with the 802.11 standards. The main difference are the data rates and the manages are less with the Bluetooth. So we know that the Bluetooth it is mainly for operated in a ISM band. So ISM band means it is an industrial, scientific and medical bands, and it is a unlicensed band. But cellular concept, it is a licensed band. If you are occupy the licensed band, we need to pay for the each data and voice transmission, but for the unlicensed band we need not to pay for the data and voice transmission. It is an unlicensed band. So the government has allocated for the unlicensed band to all over the world without the payment for data transmission. So that is the main focus of the Bluetooth. Thank you.